So guys, it's been 2 days now since we last drove this car, and I just pushed it out of the way, bro, and there's no leaks. There is no leak. This stuff over here is where I spilled last time, so that don't count, but the car was sitting about right here. I done pushed it back. No leaks, bro. No leaks. So I think we should be good from there. Now, what I need to do is change out this cluster. I actually took the manual cluster with the tack out of the other EK before I sold it, which I don't think y'all know that yet. Well, y'all probably, I didn't do a video on it, so yeah, I sold the other EK. So that thing's gone. It's really close by though. The guy is actually sort of my neighbor, and he's got a complete K-swap that he has in a coupe that's really rusted out, and he's gonna be putting that into the 4-door to make a nice clean 4-door K-swap EK. And he said that he would bring it by if we wanted to do like a video on it or something. So maybe we'll catch that thing once he gets it together. He said it probably won't take him about a week to swap it over. Here we go, boys. Got us a nice cluster with a tack now. Everything is looking minty. We're good to go there. So now what I'm gonna do is throw on this little beauty cover that I got for the shifter, which is right here. This is a Jackspania Racing unit. Yeah, this is a really nice piece. I had the same one in my H2B that I had, and I just like the rawness of being able to see like the actual shaft pause. I don't know why I said it, but yeah, it's a really nice look. So I'm gonna go ahead and get all this popped out, swap that out, and show y'all the finished product. There she is, boys. Get that in. Got the cluster in with the tack. I cleaned out the entire car, got all the junk out. I still had old springs and shocks and a freaking spare tire. All that was still in the trunk, so I got all of that mess out. Keep this baby lightened up, you know what I mean? Got that mint Nomis Industries air freshener hanging up over there. She is smelling up the whole shop. And then under the hood, I went ahead and slapped all of the sponsors up under here. This thing is a unit, bro. Amidst cleaning out stuff, I found one GoPro mount and 2 GoPro mounts right there. So I got both of those mounted up. I think what I need to do is go ahead and pull these rear deck speakers out. We're not gonna need those where we're going, so need to go ahead and get them pulled out. I'm probably not gonna cut all of this out like I did in the H2B, at least not right now. Maybe down the road, maybe, but for now, I'm not gonna do that much damage to it just yet. But we do got some more weight to lose in this rear end with removing this bash bar and cutting this bumper in half. So that bash bar is usually about 20-30 pounds by itself. So we won't touch that until we get a new bumper so that we can pull everything off, cut the bumper, get the bash bar out of there, and then have this thing really looking like a race car in the back. This thing is freaking, I don't know, bro. This thing is together. All right, boys, back to the house, and yeah, she is doing stuff. Still no leaks so far, so that's a good thing. But yeah, man, this thing is freaking, it's amazing, bro. Like, I can't even describe it. It's not violent. I mean, it feels very manageable. It's crazy, like it's hard to explain, but it's somewhat the exact same as my Turbo CB7, bro, which is nuts to think just because this is a Civic. So we are shaving at least, I'd say, at the bare minimum 500 pounds from what my Accord weighs, because the Accord is completely full interior, nothing's cut, nothing, every full bumper, everything, like full exhaust. This car has none of that. So for it to still be hooking up as good as it is, it's just insane, bro. This thing is gonna be such a fun car. I can see it now, like this thing's gonna be such a fun car. I can't wait to see how it stacks up against some other cars, bro, because this thing is freaking nuts. Oh, my T's are staying on. Everything's good, bro. So, yeah, hopefully those camera angles came out good. I didn't use the GoPro door mount yet. We'll test it in a future video, but I did try this one in the rear, and I also had the camera facing my face. Not a whole lot of talking. I just really wanted to drive this thing some more and enjoy the nicer weather, because I think we got some more rain coming. So yeah, I might try to drive it a little bit more before Saturday. If I do decide to go to the Cars and Coffee, I want to make sure that this thing's gonna make it. That's pretty much gonna be it for this video. Mia,
hey.
What's up?
What's up, guys?
What?
I'm gonna put a fan in the shop.
Really? You love the van in the shop, don't you?
I need air, man.
You need air. Okay. You want to say bye?
Say peace
Say
out.
bye. What?
Say bye.
No.
So that being said, guys, I will catch y'all next time. Remember, respect all bills.
Peace
Peace
out.
out.